ॐ गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। ओम पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। हरि वंदन गुरु वंदना वंदन ही सब संत, हरि राम वंदन किए सेगा निज तंत। Honorable IIU chairperson and all IIU countries members, thanks for IIU committee for my speech at IIU platform in Indonesia. Paramatma or Paramatman is the absolute Atma or supreme self in various philosophies such as the Vedanta and Yoga school in Hindu theology, as well as other Indian religions such as Sikhism. Paramatman is the primordial self or the self beyond, who is spiritually identical with the absolute and ultimate really. Selflessness is the attribute of the Paramatman, whereas all personality or individuality vanishes. As well as other countries and religions such as Sikhism, Paramatman is the called different name as Ishwar in Hindu, God in Christian, in Muslim Allah, in Sikh Vaheguru, in English God, in Hebrew Yahweh, in Sanskrit Brahm or Parbrahm, in Greek Theos, in Latin Dios, in Kannada Devaru, in Telugu Devadu, in Tamil Kedavul, in Malayalam Devam, in Konkani Dev, in Punjabi Rab, in Udiya Ishwar, in Bengali Ishwar, in Marathi Ishwar, in Hausa Allah Oniye, in Yoruba Oloram, in Tiu Mau, in Idoma Omo, in Dua Joava Olawa, in Ido Olaram. So all are one. God is one, no other. Our Sanatana religious Veda says Eko Brahm Dityo Nasti. It means God is one. Aham Brahmasmi, called Yajurveda. Pragyanam Brahm, called Rigveda. Tattvamasi in Samveda. Ayam Atma Brahm in Atharveda. So my thought, Atma is really Paramatma, and the Atma is resist our 5 elements physical body, and that understanding all persons reach and mentally understand Tattva Sudarshan or Suryodaya. The Sushumna is main root of mid super soul. That's name called God, Ishvara, Allah, Vaheguru, and other holy names. I organize online classes of introspectionist philosophy is my group. So if any person understands the philosophy, connect my group name and number. You search my website and this holding. Thanks again, all chairperson and Indonesian ladies and gentlemen. I am Sant Ram Gopalacharya Ramsani from India. Thanks, very, very thanks. Hari Om Tat Sat Ram Soham.